I am with Deepak Hota, Chairman and Managing Director BEML at the Aero India show. Mr. Hota, could you start by telling us how much has BEML grown in the defense sector?
Well, I will give you a perspective of the percentage growth that I experienced last year. It was 30% overall. In the defense sector, we are growing almost 100% in the spare parts business. So this year we expect to close at about 180 crores, and a few years back we were doing only 20 crores of business. As far as the balance defense is concerned, some of them are stuck up with some approvals, bulk production clearances. So I think that's taking time. At the moment we have a 1400 crore order for the armored recovery vehicles, but that is yet to see some resolution. There are some issues with respect to the exchange rate variation as well as certain taxes. We expect that should get sorted out soon. At the moment, we also have another big system that we are supplying, the Sarvatra bridging system, where we are the lead integrator. As far as the rest of the defense is concerned, we are looking at doing a JV with Mrs. Tata Trucks, so that the spare parts, which hitherto used to be imported, we are going to make them in India, for India, as well as for the world market. So this is keeping in view the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Make in India. So this we are looking at in one of the defense corridors, and recently in Tiruchirappalli this was unveiled by us.
Other than the armored recovery vehicle, what about specialized combat engineering vehicles?
Well, we have looked at armored personal carriers. We had given one to the Ministry of Home Affairs as well as the Army. But I think it's in very preliminary and early stages. We need to explore it further.
And what is your focus at Aero India?
Aero India, actually, we realize the boom is waiting to happen. It's something similar to the BEML entry into metro about 15 years back. And today, we are 45% player in the metro space. I, for one, am personally very excited with the aerospace sector. I am told the civilian aircrafts, which today we have roughly about 700, we are going to add another 1600 in the next 5 years. The maintenance, repair and overhaul of these aircrafts, there is an insistence by the government, and rightly so, that it should be done in India. There is Project Udan where there's going to be a huge requirement. We also make passenger boarding bridges. So net I'm extremely bullish, and I think in the years to come, this is going to be a very major growth area for us. Yesterday we inked certain understandings with Messrs. Irkut Corporation for certain cooperation. We also inked some understanding with Lockheed Martin. We are talking to Boeing for the offsets. We are also talking to Rosoboron exports for certain offsets. So net, there's a lot of traction, and we are bullish about the aerospace.
That's what I was going to ask you about announcements here. But while I am with you, can I also request you to give us an overview of your involvement with the railways and metro?
Absolutely. Railways, maybe 3 years back, there were no railway orders coming to us. And incidentally, we were the first company in India to have made a railway coach. But ICF, RCF and MCF, which are in-house manufacturing facilities of the railways, I guess they have enough spare capacity, so orders were not coming to us. We agitated the matter and went right up to PMO, and there was very graciously, they gave us order for 300 MEMUs, multiple electrical MEMU, I don't know what that's known as. So this is self-propelled, like the train 18 that is coming now. So we have got orders for 300 MEMUs which we are executing. We are also doing DETCs for the railways. As far as the metro is concerned, this is the most exciting. We are executing order for about 70 odd metro coaches for Calcutta Metro. We are executing another 150 for Bangalore Metro. Yesterday we got order for another 42, which is about roughly 400 crores. From Delhi Metro, we are expecting another 80 numbers. Recently, the biggest order ever that we got was for 378 plus optional another 124 for almost 500 coaches, which is valued at about 4,000 crores. This is for Mumbai Line 2 and Line 7. And this is going to be the top of the line UTO unmanned train operation. So we are extremely bullish on the metro space.